If you're facing a billing hold on Instagram, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Go to your account settings, navigate to the payment section, and verify your card details. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it. Remove the old payment method and add a new one, ensuring all details are entered correctly. Step 3. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the app cache can help. Go to your device settings, find Instagram in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Step 4. Restart the app. After clearing the cache, close the Instagram app completely and restart it. This can help refresh the app and apply any changes made. Step 5. Contact Instagram support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the xrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Instagram account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.